Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to do a pretty cool recipe. There's a lot of versions of it throughout Asia. So it's called Hong Shoa Rou in Chinese, which is basically red braised pork belly. So these are the ingredients that we're going to need. This is over 2 kilos of pork belly, which has just been boiled for a bit and then the water removed just to clean it out. Here we've got the Chinese 5 spices again, cardamon's, Sichuan peppercorns, cinnamon, star anise, got some bay leaves, rock sugar, spring onion, chili, dried chili, and some crushed ginger. Also, we're going to need some soy sauce and some dark soy sauce. We've got a large wok, which we're going to just add some rice bran oil. You can use any oil that goes well with high heat. And we're going to just go in with our pork belly. Alright guys, now the pork's been cooking for a bit. First thing we're going to do is add some white wine. I forgot to mention this before, but it takes away, Chinese people like to use it a lot when cooking pork. Just remove some of that smell. Then just go in with all your ingredients from before. Straight in. Mix it together. Add your ginger paste. Keep stir frying it for a bit. Let all those flavors come out. I can already smell them. Now we're going to go in with some soy sauce. Add some color to the pork. And some dark soy, which will help with the redness. There we go. As you can see, it's starting to change color. Mix it all in. You want to add some water so it can simmer. Ideally hot water, boiling water, so it cooks quicker. Just enough to submerge most of the pork. As you can see, the color's changed and it's starting to simmer. Here we are guys. It's been braising for about 25 minutes. It's just going to depend on your meat, 20 to 30 minutes roughly with the lid on. Just going to add in some spring onion, some color and flavoring. Give it a bit of a toss together. And she's Gucci. There you go. Red braised pork belly, Hong Shoa Rou. That's what I'm talking about. This recipe goes really well with either some bok choy, broccoli, any sort of seasonal greens, just to sort of counteract the fattiness from the pork belly. So let's do it. Let's give it a taste. Grab a piece of pork, grab some rice. That is perfect. That is what I'm talking about. Beautiful. All those flavors, the soy sauce has emerged into the pork belly. It's cooked perfectly. You can taste all the aromatics, the 5 spices. Amazing, guys. Definitely give this a go. Very easy, pretty simple. Just follow the recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.